This is AEFSCHOOL. This lesson is about social media vocabulary. Lesson 104. Social media refers to the platforms and websites that allow users to create and share content or participate in social networking. Some examples of popular social media platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These platforms can be used to connect with friends and family, share photos and videos, and stay up to date on news and current events. Additionally, businesses and organizations often use social media to connect with customers and promote their products or services. While social media can be a great way to stay connected and informed, it can also have negative effects on our mental health. Constant use of social media can lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, and anxiety. Additionally, social media can also be a breeding ground for cyberbullying and online harassment. It is important to use social media in moderation and to be mindful of the content you are consuming and sharing. Overall, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us to each other in ways that were once unimaginable. It offers a variety of benefits, but it's also important to be aware of its potential negative effects and use it responsibly. I will refer you to the appropriate department for further assistance. Can you refer me to a good restaurant in the area? The teacher referred to her notes before answering the student's question. The author refers to this concept several times throughout the book. I referred to the instructions before assembling the furniture. He referred to the map to find the shortest route. The doctor referred the patient to a specialist for further treatment. She referred to her diary to remember the details of the meeting. He referred the case to the committee for further review. The article refers to recent studies on the topic. The employee filed a complaint with HR, accusing her manager of harassment. The company has a strict policy against any form of harassment, including verbal, physical and cyber. The police are investigating the incident of racial harassment that occurred on the bus. The school has implemented a zero-tolerance policy for student-on-student harassment. He was found guilty of harassment and was fired from the job. The organization has launched a training program for employees on how to recognize and prevent harassment in the workplace. The victim of harassment felt isolated and alone, and struggled with mental health issues as a result. The accused was found guilty of harassment and was fired from the job. The menu at the restaurant includes a variety of vegetarian options. The price of the concert ticket includes a complimentary drink. The curriculum for the course includes several required readings. The package tour includes transportation, lodging, and guided tours. The list of items for the fundraiser auction includes several rare collectibles. The teenager was a victim of cyberbullying when someone created a fake social media account to post mean and hurtful messages. Cyberbullying has become an increasing problem among young people, with many experiencing bullying and harassment on social media and messaging apps. The school has implemented new policies to address incidents of cyberbullying, including monitoring students' online activity and providing support to victims. The parents were shocked to learn that their child was being cyberbullied by classmates on a popular gaming platform. The organization has launched a campaign to raise awareness about the dangers of cyberbullying and educate people on how to prevent and report it. It's important to be aware of your surroundings when walking in unfamiliar areas to stay safe. Be aware of the expiration date on food items before consuming them to avoid food poisoning. Be aware of any changes in your body, such as unusual lumps or bumps, and consult a doctor if you have any concerns. Be aware of the weather forecast before planning outdoor activities to prepare for any potential hazards. Be aware of any suspicious emails or phone calls, as they may be attempts to scam or steal personal information. Be aware of changes in the political situation and its impact on the economy before making any investments. Be aware of the laws and regulations related to your industry to avoid any legal trouble. Be mindful of the amount of sugar in your diet, as too much can lead to health issues. Be mindful of your posture when sitting at a desk to prevent back pain. Be mindful of the impact that your actions have on the environment, and try to reduce your carbon footprint. Be mindful of your thoughts and emotions, and try to practice mindfulness techniques to manage stress. Be mindful of the other people's feelings and opinions and try to be empathetic and understanding. Be mindful of the time and try to prioritize your task and manage your time efficiently. Be mindful of the company's culture and values and adhere to them while conducting business. The wheels are an integral part of a car, as they allow it to move and function properly. The battery is an integral part of a phone, as it powers the device and allows it to be used. The engine is an integral part of an airplane, as it provides the power for the plane to fly. The motherboard is an integral part of a computer, as it connects all the other components and allows them to communicate and function together. The idea of traveling to other planets is unimaginable to many people, as it goes beyond current technology and understanding. The amount of data that can be stored in a single atom is unimaginable, as it is incredibly small and dense. The potential power of quantum computers is unimaginable, as they have the ability to perform calculations much faster than traditional computers. The idea of living forever is unimaginable for many, as it goes beyond current understanding of life and death. The store might offer a discount on a purchase if a customer agrees to sign up for a store credit card. A company might offer a bonus to employees who meet or exceed performance targets. A restaurant might offer a free appetizer to customers who dine in on their birthday. A subscription service might offer a free trial period to new customers to test the service before committing to a paid subscription. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of diabetes. A lack of regular exercise can lead to poor cardiovascular health. Ignoring warning signs of a problem can lead to a much larger issue down the road. Failure to properly maintain equipment can lead to costly repairs or replacement. High levels of stress can lead to a variety of physical and mental health problems. Subscribe to my channel and share the videos if you find its content useful.